Wait, ano mo na natin? Sabi ko, hindi ka na!
Sink or swim has the objective of to establish the effect of being immersed in a liquid on the weight of an object. We have some procedures to be followed. First, measure the rubber band using the one end of the rubber band tie the candle.
Wala ka nang ginagawa. Umalis ka na rito. Ba't mo umupo ka dyan?
Suspend the candle and measure the length of the rubber band. Next, suspend the candle at the water level in a jar while hanging from the first indicator as shown.
Cristel, di ba i-minesa mo na kanina gano'n kahaba yung rubber band? Dapat itatapat mo.
You get 5 centimeters
We get 5 centimeter
at that water level.
at that one candle. Okay, in water level.
From being 5 centimeters, naging 3 centimeters na lang siya.
Because of the water level. Get? Okay.
Now, get the difference between the length of the rubber band.
Ay.
Get another rubber band
Here.
and again, measure the length of the rubber band. Again, get the difference between the length of the rubber band when the candle is hung.
5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. And I can put the pencil in this side.
Eh, magkano dyan eh. Ang hirap yata.
After all, here.
Now, you can measure the egg.
And this egg. 5 centimeter.
From the 5 centimeter, ano
Or
nangyari?
5 centimeter.
Naging 1
Naging 1
centimeter.
centimeter.
Kung kanina meron tayo sa candle natin na 5 centimeter na napunta sa 3 centimeter. Ngayon naman, from being 5 centimeter niyan, nakuha natin 1 centimeter. Kasi magkaiba yung ginamit nating object.
Yes. Isang candle, isang egg.
Saka, yung buoyant force na meron yung egg at saka yung candle, eh, the more buoyant force yung nasa isang object, the more na magbababa ito. Bababa yung object na hinang mo.
Gets? Minus.
Stephen! Diyan ka lang? Diyan ka lang? Pagod na kami. Huwag ka natin dyan, Drake. Ikaw, umalis ka na.